Breaking news from the North Pole. Santa's workshop under fire for missing holiday demand.
Another year, another miss. Millions of children receive itchy wool sweaters instead of toys.
Overproduction woes send Santa's workshop into downward spiral. Stocks plummet. Now let's hear from a senior elf joining us live from the North Pole production plant.
These past few years have been chaos. Accurate manufacturing forecasting has become increasingly difficult. Our business data is scattered across thousands of elves working in offline spreadsheets. Our CRM isn't user-friendly, and the elves think they're getting work done faster by exporting data into Excel. We spend more time debating over the data instead of what to produce. If only we could keep all our data online and manage it in a spreadsheet interface. Then we'd have full data visibility and a fast, friendly editing experience.
Santa's workshop upgrades forecasting technology, promises to deliver presents to every child this season.
How wonderful! Every child will get their dream gift this year. Ho, ho, ho!
We did it! We found the solution we've been looking for. Valorx Fusion. Fusion connects spreadsheets directly to live CRM data, so elves can manage live CRM data from their spreadsheet interfaces. As we got more orders late in the year, we were able to quickly update our forecasts on time. The production schedule was revised, and we still produced exactly what we needed. Accurate demand planning isn't done through magic or chance, but the right technology. Valorx makes it easier for CRM users to stay connected and manage a business's data in one unified experience.
Stop guessing and start forecasting with Valorx.